G'day viewers, Sep here, first video. Thought what we might do, something reasonably easy and won't take too long, an unboxing of these aftermarket GoPro accessories. Pretty cheap, $30 Australian off eBay. So what we get in the kit, let's have a look. We'll take them out as we go and have a good look. He's got these clip sticker things here which you can use to stick these things on the back of everything, wherever you want to stick them to. So we've got a fair few of those. What else we got? One of these things stick on the glass on the screen, windscreen of the car. Get these out, if you like that. I don't expect the quality to be real good, but anyway. Let's see what else we've got here, so put that over there. So we've got heaps of these little gadgets, little mounts, all different ones here. Get heaps of them by the looks. And there's screws, heaps of those as well. We've got some straps and some mounts. A couple of those. Looks like we've got a flotation device for the GoPro if you're in the water, I suppose, or filming over water. Another one of these mounts. Of course, you've got the lanyard you can put on it as well. What else we got? We've got more of these mountain things, straps. Another handlebar mount on looks. Another pin, screw-in pin thing. There's another one, a different type. Get over there. One of these things, whatever they are. Let's have a look at these. Looks like some sort of string with a couple of these. You can put that through like a lanyard, so you can hang it for some reason if you'd want to do that. It's a chest one, goes over your shoulders, put it in front of your chest there. Another one of those. Looks like we've got something else here that I'm not sure what this is for. Have a look at that. It also has a little lanyard for it. Whatever that is. Maybe somebody, it looks like it might be something to do up something. I'm not sure about that. So don't lose it. Let's have a look at this one. They can bend around a bit. Swivel at the top. Yeah. Pretty small, pretty short. There's another tripod here. Similar thing, it's got a swivel at the top there. You lock it in on the side to stop it from going around. And of course you can mount one of these things on the top, like so. And it actually does screw on, so that's a good thing. There's another one there. What else we got? We got one of those selfie stick things. Look at that. Yep. It's about 700mm long. A bit hard to push in and out, but it might be okay for a while. Another mount of some description. There we go. Oh, you might want to stick that on something, somewhere. Mount your GoPro on that. This looks like a helmet strap, a head strap, this one. It's over there. Extension. Another extension for one of those fittings, like that. It's like another strap, oh yeah, another strap and a sticker. Just stick that on the side of something. On there. And another accessory there for it. And one of those pins, screws. Got a couple of bags by the looks. Through them to put your things in after taking out the plastic bags. And of course the case, which is pretty flimsy, but look, it'll do the job. It'll hold everything together. And that's it. So hopefully you got something out of that, and see you on the next one. Take it easy.